Welcome to the last video in the onboarding tutorial series for the dashboard. At this point, you pretty much know everything you need to. You have gotten started, created your classes, your students, know how to sign them in, can review data, and assign. That's pretty good. This video is to show you just a little bit of sort of additional detail into some of the other functions of the dashboard. Of course, we also have dedicated videos on the resources page for all of those things. So let me just show you a few things really quickly. Of course, it's easy to create multiple classes. I can name that there. And once I do, I can toggle between my classes on the left-hand side here. It's always possible to edit, delete. You can manage rosters and view students from this side menu here. And I'll just show what that looks like really quick. This new class I've just made, let's say I want only my strongest students in it, which means Ray's going to go in, Aretha, Dave Grohl, Janis Joplin, and Wolfgang, of course. When I do that, I'll see now 5 students in this new class I've created. No problem. So class management, very easy, equally so managing students. You can search for perhaps myself in this instance. You can filter based upon which class they're in. Here's my class of superstars. I can delete or also add class from this page. So this all works exactly as you'd expect. Select all, deselect, release the filter, no problems. Additionally, there are class accessibility settings. So if I actually go to this new class that I've created, which is awkwardly named multiple classes, but what can we do? You'll see in the top right here is where I got to these class settings. There are descriptions down here, and there's also a dedicated video for this, but I want to give my superstars the most information I can, so I'm going to change the lesson instructions. It's going to warn me that it'll change the settings for all the students. That's not a problem. And I want them having to fill in every note carefully. So I'll save that as well. This is an example of class accessibility settings. We can also edit individual accessibility settings, for instance, by clicking here or on the Manage Students page and then clicking their settings options. Finally, we have the View Activity function for an individual student. This will show you what an individual student has accomplished recently. You can see Aretha here has been active with assignments, with her recent songs, and even with assessment responses. So she said that rock music sounds rough, fun, and interesting, and also that her dad loves Led Zeppelin. I'm not sure if that's true to the time period, but what can we do? So you're seeing here some of these additional functions of the dashboard. Again, you can go to the resources page anytime to find additional tutorials on all of this, and time for you to start exploring and using all of your newfound skills. You've got it. If you have requests for us, let us know. But otherwise, please, know that you're an expert now and use MusiQuest in whatever ways make the most sense to you. Thanks so much.